right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this fifth webinar. When I welcome you, thank you for joining us today. And today use our synthetic data we've loaded on this group called Chart Demo Client. We have some synthetic data here to actually work with. Now, if I take a look here, I can see a very quick overview of what's been done. So I'm going to highlight a couple of names that we're going to work with in this. So Blair Quinn, I can see when they registered, when was their last activity. You will be able to see their study time and total time on the platform. I can see here by simply having a quick look, assigned 10 courses, completed 2, got 2 certificates, incomplete is 8. Where if I look at Emery Owens, 10 courses, nothing completed. All right, and then if I scroll down here to, for example, Quinn Adams, 10 courses assigned, 10 completed, 10 certificates, 0 outstanding. So it gives me a very quick overview, and in each of indication of that, and I can look at the scores that they achieve in the quiz assessment. So that is one report that's available. The other report looks at a bit more of an overview and detailed overview for you. So again, the name, the role that they've been assigned or the group they are part of, when they registered, when was their last activity. You can even see where they logged in from and what operating system they use. You can see it will show the study time, the total time they've spent on the platform, and I can get a quick overview again of courses assigned, completed, incomplete, and what's the average score, and it will even show you activity on the community if there is any. All right, so that is the default reports that we're all familiar with, that we're aware of. I thought I just want to share that with you because that is quite valuable as well. Now we want to get to the exciting stuff. And before we get there, another visual element, another way to look at some of your reporting. And I wanted to look at the speed I'm doing this with. I click on Training Matrix. I'm going to simply go, and again, I'm not even going into the advanced features here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm simply using what's available. I'm going to my synthetic data. shortly. Particular courses. Which courses excel in participation and completion rates? In other words, show total enrollments, total completions, certificates awarded, and of course I have lots of synthetic data here as well, hence that gap over there. All right, so that is the AI Insights, which gives you a fantastic overview. Now I want to go show you courses. So when you want to build a course, ladies and gentlemen, you can let AI help you create an outline, or what I like to call a skeleton of what can be done. So I'm going to go into one of my courses I created, which is on trial. And I want to show you, so now when you create the course, actually let me go back and show you this in terms of when you create a course. Let's do a course on AI fluency for leaders. Okay, I'm not going to add a cover now, but you can see you can add in a description. This is vital for any leader. I can add a photo for this. So I'm creating a new course here. I'm going to give it a name there. I'm going to keep it in draft for the moment. You can publish it as a free course, a paid course, a private course, whatever it might be. Now you can also use a default theme or any other courses that you've developed in the past. You can use the layout as the template. So I can go and say, I like the layout of that course. I'm going to copy that. Now, when it generates the course for you, folks, this is where you can now see a couple of options. So you can start building from scratch, where you can decide how you want the layout, how many modules, what exactly you want in those modules. Or you can say here, you can start building with AI. I can also upload files like a PowerPoint or PDFs. I'm going to say start building with AI. Now what it does, it gives me some options. So what would I like to see in my course? I want to see videos, I want to see PDF and presentations. I want to see an exam and a self-assessment. I want to see a live session and a certificate of completion. Now I can set some rules in place, set a number of sections. So in our case, we always like to have 5 sections or modules, set a number of activities for each. Let's make that 3, include specific key topics. So now I can go and really zoom in on what do I want this topic to really focus on and cover. Okay, in this case, I'm going to say use of AI and awareness of skills. All right. Create activities based on a resource. Now here I can add in so if I have a text that I want to copy in here, if I have an existing course that I can reference, I can say add activity, go to forms, and I'm going to say, for example, you can do introduce yourself at the start of the AI features will just get better and improve all the way. So thank you for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. I really appreciate your time. On screen is our details. Please reach out to us if you need anything or if you have any questions. If you want to get a demo, if you want to play with your own synthetic data and say, I like this, I want to play with it, I want to experience it, I want to see it in action, we have no problem to help you with that.